जूम आपके लिए लाया है अर्जुन रामपाल के हॉट पिक्स के कलेक्शन। ये फोटोशूट किया था अर्जुन रामपाल ने डब्बू रत्नानी के लिए वे बैक, जब अर्जुन थे इंडस्ट्री में नए। अर्जुन का ये फोटोशूट किया गया था जैसलमेर में। अर्जुन रामपाल की ये पिक्चर कलेक्शन हम लाए हैं एक्सक्लूसिवली इनके फैंस के लिए। We are sure all you Arjun Rampal fans out there would love it. वैसे आपको बता दें कि ये फोटोशूट अर्जुन के मॉडलिंग डेज के शुरुआत की है, जहां इन्हें मिली थी अपॉर्चुनिटी टू बी शॉट बाय द एस फोटोग्राफर डब्बू। शायद इसीलिए ये अर्जुन के करियर के फेवरेट फोटोशूट्स में से एक रहा है। और अब अर्जुन से बोला जाए टू ब्रिंग बैक द मेमोरीज ऑफ दीज डेज, तो सुनिए कैसे थे अर्जुन के एक्सपीरियंसेस।
That time all the photographers were very old. Because I met with Ashok Salian. I mean, I shouldn't call him old, he'll kill me. But like Ashok Salian, there was Prabhudo, and all of them, they were like older people. Dabbu called me and he said that, I'm Dabbu Ratnani, and I'd heard of him. And so I thought he's also an old guy. So I was talking to him with a lot of respect and saying, Acha Dabbu ji, I'll definitely be there, and all of that. And cut to, I landed up in Jaisalmer, and this young chubby fellow walked out, with a monkey cap on his head. What the hell are you saying? You're Dabbu. Why have I been talking to you like this? I've given you too much respect, now no more.
अर्जुन रामपाल ने तो बताया डब्बू रत्नानी को बुढ़ा जब बात हुई थी पहली बार उनकी फोन पर, और जब यही चीज हमने कंफर्म की खुद डब्बू से, तो ये था उनका कहना।
I had heard of Arjun Rampal and he had heard of Dabbu Ratnani. I obviously knew what he looked like, but he had never met me. And I called him for a shoot, and we met. We couldn't meet before the shoot, and I said, okay, I'll see you straight in Jaisalmer. And I went 2-3 days earlier for a recce, and he sees me over there, and he says, you're Dabbu Ratnani. He says, what? He says, I've been talking with so much respect and calling you sir on the phone, and you didn't even tell me at that point that don't call me sir. Now you see what I do to you. And he said, I'm going to harrow you for the next 3 days. And it was great fun.
It seems Arjun Rampal और डब्बू रत्नानी might have had a blast working on this photo shoot. Talking about his few pictures जो हमें काफी पसंद आई, उनमें से एक है ये, जहां वो लग रहे थे काफी smart, but the ambience and the way the picture is clicked are quite eye-catchy too. Another picture is जहां वो दिख रहे हैं ढोल बजाते हुए in a traditional outfit, काला टिक्का on his forehead and a safa on his head give him a Rajasthani look. इस पिक्चर का भी ambience था that of a village और था काफी attractive. And the third one is this, जहां he is flaunting his body with a jacket in hand. इस long twist look में भी अर्जुन लग रहे थे बिल्कुल एक हंक जैसे। अर्जुन के शुरुआती दिनों की झलक तो हमने आपको दिखा ही दी, but what caught our attention was also the fact that यहाँ पर दिखे हमें और भी known faces like Pooja Batra, Mark Robinson and a few more established models. We are sure ये सभी पिक्चर्स देखकर अर्जुन और उनके फैंस हो जाएंगे काफी nostalgic. For कीर्ति तरंग, Zoom, Mumbai.